Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce some of the newest products on my right hand. As we can see, this one having the griddles and the steam warmers, also have the gyro heaters on the side, it's combination units. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the entire length of the unit is about like a 60 and 1.4 inches long. And the depth of the units is almost about like a 27.5 inches deep, include from the switchers. And the heads of the units, they are about like a 64 and 3.4 inches tall in total. So as we can see, the units come with the three parts of it. And the center is griddle, and on side is a steam warmer, and the other side it comes with gyro heaters. For the steam warmer pans, they come in with a lid from the manufacturers. And when we opened it, we can find they having the regulator inner side. These parts from the manufacturer offered. And this pantry size is about like a 12 and 1.4 inches in long. And the depth, it is almost about like a 4 inches. And the width, they are almost about like a 6 and 3.4 inches wide. They come with the 3 warmers on side in total. And the center of the griddles. For the cooking area, they are about like a 19.5 inches deep. And for this griddle thickness of the pans, it is about like a 0.5 inches. And 23.5 inches wide. And also at the front left, this have a small drain hose right here. They come in with a collector tray, so you can clean all the dust through this tray and through it all, clean it. And the last part, the gyro heaters, we can feel them. They come in with 1, 2, 3, the straight heaters at the hands. For the stick straw, it's about like a 22 inches long, and they have a small holders to catch all the meats. And the dimensions of this area, it is about like a 17 and 3.4 inches wide. And also the last things, we can see the unit is coming with the 4 casters at the bottom. So this one can use it for the outside for you to easily move. Also, the manufacturer give you the lockers on the rear 2 side. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.